Super excited, just got my hands on the new Google Nest Audio. I'm pretty pumped to check out how the sound is, but let's take this out of the packaging here and see what it's all about. Still a little confused with the whole Nest rebranding of the Google Home series, but I guess over the next few years I'll get used to that. Okay, let's see how easy this is to get out. Oh my God, how simple is that? Wow. The first thing I noticed is that this thing is super heavy. They do say that you'll be able to get about 50% better bass out of this and 75% more sound, louder sound than the first gen Google Home series. On the back there, obviously got the microphone privacy switch there. And that is about it. It's got the rubber base here to sit on the table and a power cord outlet. So let's see if we can find that. Presto Kazinga, there it is. And you know what? I'm gonna see how fast it takes me to actually install this on my network, because it'll be easy, right? And so plug that guy in and it should hopefully light up. What else is in the box here? Well, you got the instructions, which I have totally chosen to ignore. I love how easy the packaging is on this here. Unlike Dyson packaging, which is, it's a little crazy. Hear the warm Google sounds, and I'm gonna go to my phone.
Hi. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
To get started, download the Google Home app.
I've done that.
Pour commencer, téléchargez l'appli Google Home.
Within like 30 seconds, it's saying in my Google Home app that I can set up the Nest Audio. So I just simply click on that. And now it's saying choose a home, and I'm gonna choose my house. Now it's looking for devices. Hopefully it will find this. Found the Nest Audio, hit next. Now it's connecting. I'm liking how easy this is so far. Gonna hit, did you hear the sound? Yes, I did. Help us improve Nest Audio, no thanks. Where is this device? Guess you can always change this later. I'm gonna say the living room. Next. And connect to my Wi-Fi network. It already knows. I think we're doing pretty good for time here. From the moment I opened the box here, we're just minutes away from actually getting this hooked up on my existing Google Home network, which is great. And so in my house, I've got a few Google devices. I've got a Google Home. I've got a few of the Nest Minis as well. I've got the one with the screen. I forget what one, the Nest Hub, not the big one, but the Nest Hub. So again, if you've already got Google Home set up, it's pretty good. Activate voice match on this device. I agree. Dun, dun, dun. Let's hit agree again. So you can help us improve the products used by saving your audio from Search, Assistant, and Maps. Not now. Get personal results with your voice. Yes. Set the default music service. So I've got a few choices here. YouTube Music, Google Play Music, which I think is ceasing to exist sometime soon. Spotify and Deezer. I'm a Spotify man. And, oh, you can link Sirius XM if you have that. I don't have that yet. Welcome back. It's acknowledged my phone number that I've already input before. And I'm almost done. Woohoo! And that's the longest part of this whole thing. Now it's got to install updates, which takes about 4 minutes. Oh, what to do for 4 minutes? I guess I can read the side of the box here, some of the great marketing. Something I forgot, you can actually pair two of these together for true stereo sound. And that's kind of the cool thing with any of these home devices, the fact that they are part of a connected home. So it's not just a music speaker, it is your digital assistant. I can actually use this to give commands. I've got like some robot vacuums. I've got a robot lawnmower, so I can tell it to start mowing the lawn. I can use it to control all the lights in my home as well. That's if, again, you have smart lighting, which I happen to do. And if you do have a number of these in your house, that's kind of the cool thing. You can have multi-room music, kind of at a fraction of the price of some of those more expensive systems like Sonos and Blue Sound. You can get it into it for hundreds of dollars instead of thousands of dollars. And if you get the right speakers, hopefully this will have some good sound. You can fill any room. You can also have it all playing the same stuff, or you can just have certain rooms playing certain songs too, which I think is a cool feature. To play and pause, you got to hit the top center. I guess it's not on right now. Change volume, just tap the corners. Oh, I see. So that's down, that's up. Mic switch, yeah, we already covered that. That's in the back. We can turn that on and off, but it kind of defeats the whole purpose of having this device if you turn that off. The living room speaker is ready. Oh my God, let's do this.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Hey Google, where's the closest gas station?
The address for SO 711 37893 is 1595 Nicol Road, White Rock, BCV 4B3K2.
Hey Google, play some music.
Sure, music on Spotify. Here you go.
Usually it's a little more rocking. Hey Google, stop. So within the space of 5 minutes, I've got this thing unboxed. I've got it set up on my home network, and the sound, pretty impressive.